It's here. Our gate's broken. It's here. Oh, snap the gate. Our first train. Baby. Look at my mom. She's out there filming. Jesus Christ! CSX train, one engine, buddy, let's go! I wonder if there's a DPU. Oh, buddy. But I can hear that thing right now. Let's go! Buddy, a CSX train, one engine, buddy. This brother. Well, through the DPU, I wonder. Is there a DPU? Oh, for a second I thought that was DPU. Yes. Train number one, caught. I caught train number. We got train number one. Train number one. Train number one, baby. DPU? Oh, third DPU? You think there's a second engine as a DPU? Okay, bye, train. There goes that baby. Ooh, we got our first train. It's okay. It's okay. I'm pretty sure it sounded good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it sounded good in the video. That's what it was about. Hey, I say that was good.
That was a big one.
That was a big train.
One.
But I saw the engine. It was a CSX, but there was only one engine, so I thought there was gonna be a DPU or something. But there ain't a DPU. What the heck?
Look how long it